Cooking is a fundamental aspect of human life, but the use of traditional biomass and fossil fuel for cooking leads to indoor air pollution, responsible for thousands of premature deaths among women and children. World Health Organization records estimates that smoke from the kitchen leads to 97,000 deaths in Nigeria annually. This 12th edition of the Nigeria Clean Cooking Forum is organized for stakeholders in the sector to dialogue, share innovative solutions and partnership towards achieving clean and sustainable cooking solutions for all Nigerians.
We need our partners. We need the private sector to come into it, and that's why I said we have about 5 billion in this state's budget on that, and that's part of what we're trying to do, trying to support in terms of getting them to produce cheaper products. I was just telling that we're going to have a discussion today with the leaders of the Green Alliance, that we'll sit down with them and see how we can get into this.
The main focus is to ensure that Nigerians have clean access to clean cooking, especially the women and the girl child, because they are the rung of the ladder in terms of cooking. And so moving away from firewood, moving away from other harmful fuels, Techno Oil came into that space to bridge the gap and to make sure that these LPG cylinders, are available.
One major concern raised by speakers at this forum is the issue of affordability of clean cooking energy, given the high cost of energy in the country at the moment, and this seems to be eroding the successes recorded in the sector. Many residents, particularly those living in rural communities who had earlier embraced clean cooking energy, are said to be reverting to traditional means of cooking with firewood.
We are experiencing a major crisis that affects their households and costing lives to our people. If we can be able to strengthen the supply and remove all the bottlenecks that makes cooking gas more expensive, then we can lower the cost for people.
This stove uses 50% less fuel. They reduce emission of particulate matters. So our cook stove reduces this indoor air pollution, and we are proud that in our own way we are contributing to the reduction of these deaths in our country.
Tagged Clean Cooking Energy for All, prioritizing inclusion. Decisions reached here are expected to assist government in formulating policies that protect local production of clean cooking technology while also expanding overall access to clean cooking solutions for all Nigerians. Nkoli, Omhoudu, AIT News, Abuja.